Paano nga ba mag-compute ng doses based sa body weight? Hindi to Clark's rule ha? Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace, a second year pharmacy student, and here's what I've learned during my first year. So sa previous vid, the one that came before this one, tinalaki natin ng Clark's rule, which is a pediatric dose formula based on weight. Pero ano to, bakit may based on body weight? Iba pa ba yun? Tama. Iba pa to kaysa sa Clark's rule. Kasi, ang based on body weight, nakadepende siya mismo sa timbang lamang ng pasyente at sa dose. Ito ang ating working formula para sa based on body weight. So, tignan natin tong table na to para makita natin ano ba yung difference nila. So, unahin natin ng unit for weight. Sa Clark's rule, ang gamit ay pounds, while sa based on body weight ay kilograms. Sa based info naman, milligrams per kilograms ng dose ng based on body weight at adult dose ang base info ng Clark's rule. In terms of accuracy, mas very accurate ang based on body weight compared sa Clark's rule kasi estimation lang ang Clark's rule. So, try natin gamitin ang based on body weight formula. Sa problem na to, identify natin ang mga given. So, we have 2 milligrams per kilogram per day, 60 kilograms, at ang solution available in 80 milligrams per 2 ml. So, ang tanong, how many milliliters per dose should be administered? So, kailangan alamin muna natin yung patient's dose bago natin ma-solve yung milliliters per dose na dapat i-administer. So, using the formula, ang 2 mg per kilogram ay equals sa 2 mg over 1 kg. Then, multiply natin sa 60 kilograms. Cancel similar units, then the answer will be 120 milligrams. Pero sabi dito, divided into 2 doses. So, i-divide natin si 120 milligrams sa 2 doses. And we will have 60 milligrams per dose. Ngayon, sasagutin na natin yung tanong. How many milliliters per dose should be administered? So, ang kailangan natin gawin dito is yung 60 milligrams, i-multiply natin sa concentration. Pero, dahil ang format ng concentration ay milligram per ml, kailangan nating makancel si milligrams sa katabi ng 60. So, babalik na rin natin. So, 2 ml divided by 80 milligrams, cancel similar units, and the answer will be 1.5 ml. For method 2, ito yung ratio and proportion na madalas natin ginagamit. 80 milligrams over 2 ml is equals to 60 milligrams over x ml. Then, usual cross match. Tapos, kailangan sa isang hilera. Then, kakancel natin yung katabi ng xml, which is 80 milligrams. So, i-divide natin siya sa both sides. Then, cancel all similar numbers and units and proceed to solving. The answer is 1.5 ml. Kaya, huwag kang malilito kung kailangan mo bang gamitin ng Clark's rule o based on body weight. Kasi kitang-kita naman sa difference nila kanina kung kailan dapat gamitin ang based on body weight. Kung gusto mo pang matuto, don't forget to follow me and see you on the next video. BSA method na tayo.